Here's how to choose a WhatsApp username. First, you want to launch open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account and also make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on Settings. Now tap on Account. Here tap on Username. Now you can choose between Create Username or you can use Instagram username or Facebook username. Select whichever you prefer. If you want to create a manual username, tap on the Create Username option. Now, some things to keep in mind while making your username is that the length must be between 3 and 30 characters long. You can use lowercase letters, numbers, and underscore and period. Also, your username must start with a letter. And now you can use your first name or middle name as your username. So go ahead and type in your preferred username and check if it is taken. If it is not taken, then you can simply use it. For that, tap on the Save option. Then you want to tap on Done. In this way, you can choose a WhatsApp username. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.